welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following for a little while, you already know what my channel is all about. But just in case you're watching me for the first time, do take a moment to follow out my previous videos, because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about and you will get to know me a little better. But just in case you have not followed me on Instagram and Facebook, do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My handles will be in the description box, and as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about Meesho haul, which is Meesho jewelry haul. So I purchased few products from Meesho because I really wanted to try out if the jewelries are so much affordable in Meesho, then how is their quality and how actually they are. So I have actually used this jewelry for quite few months, probably 2 months, and then probably I'm giving you the review because also the color and everything I wanted to be really sure of their quality as well. So let's begin the video. And before we begin the video, if you really wanted to know how I created this soft peachy makeup look, then please do not forget to check out the video because I will leave you in the I button somewhere here or here. Then definitely go ahead and check out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first set will be about the AD stone. So this is a particular jewelry which is completely an AD stone. I'm just gonna show over this. So this is what the jewelry is. It's completely an AD stone. All the stones are well intact after the use, and it is a kind of choker, by the way, guys. So if you wanted to wear, it will somewhere look like this. Very smart piece, and also it comes with this adjustable strap. Now one good thing about this strap are these straps are not golden in color, so you will not be afraid of losing the color, but at the same time it complements any outfit, probably mostly the long gowns, and yeah, the off-shoulder tops also it will complement. It does come with a earring. So the two earrings which is very cute, is this beautiful top. Comes with a very beautiful top, like how the AD it is. So pretty, guys. And the color, I have actually used it quite number of times, but there is no loss of color. The back of the jewelry looks like this, which also gives a glimpse that how quality the jewelry is. So I'm really happy with this. Next is a Mangal Sutra. Now that would be somewhere between 400 ka range, which was not that pricey but very affordable. Next I got a Mangal Sutra. Now I usually love Mangal Sutra. The Mangal Sutra somewhere looks like this. It's a beautiful, and the stone work is so pretty, guys. It is a real pretty stone work. None of the stones have actually gone wrong, or they came out and they were really good. The length is probably this much length, 16 to 18 inch maybe, and looks very smart and pretty. If you have been knowing, I have my real Mangal Sutra, which is almost of this length, but the design is the absolute one. Comes with the earring, and the earring is also very nice. It's a very pretty top, and this also I have used it quite a number of times, but nothing happened. The back portion is well intact, and I really love this. I think this was for $4.99 something. So next we'll move to the other jewelry. I've stored everything in this kind of box because that helps to not oxidize the jewelry actually. So yes, the next thing is this beautiful pretty chunkies, which is very small. Comes in you can wear this in kurti, but it is a complete gold oxidized. Now nothing happened to the color. I have actually used it multiple times. This was for 200 change, which was again very affordable. Next again is a beautiful chunki, which is in the shade of black, white and green. So this is what the chunki is, absolute gorgeous and very good quality. This I wore it in like during the summers quite a lot of time, but nothing happened to the color, by the way. So next is that piece. Next is again a very good quality gold oxidized earring, which is amazing. The quality is really amazing. So it's a maroonish kind of stone, and it is a kind of black oxidized and looks absolute stunning, by the way. Comes again, it goes very good with the kurti. Honest, it will be going very good with the kurti. This was also for it was little pricey, 400 change, but again very amazing. Next is this again beautiful chunky, but in a long. So this is a little heavy. None of the other jewelries are heavy. This is a little heavy and a little good quality, and it was for again 300 change, which was again a super duper affordable. Now that's pretty much from this box. I will move to the next box, and I have taken some silver oxidized colorful jewelry, which is in the shade maroon and green. I'll find the green one everywhere, and I'm just gonna show. This is a beautiful earring, completely oxidized. I cannot find the other half of it. I have used it so much that by this time I should be discarding it, but honestly nothing happened to the color. The next thing is this brown, beautiful oxidized, and the detailing and the work is so good that I can't even tell you. Now these are all the earrings. Now I will move to the next neck pieces, which were a great surprise to me. I got this most trending ghungroo kind of neck piece from Meesho, and honestly it turned out to be an amazing quality. So it somewhere looks like this. It will look amazing with the sari. The ghungroo and everything is well intact. The color is also so good. I wore it twice, and to be honest, it looks pretty. It really looks pretty, and I think this was also for 400 change, which was again very affordable. Next, in again neck piece, I got one black choker. So the choker looks like this. This is such a pretty piece, guys. I can't even tell you. Complete choker with this kind of stud, and also comes with the earring, which is also a kind of stud. And also it comes in this adjustable strap where you can easily adjust. Now, yes, comes with the earring and also the finger ring. So the earring is somewhere around this, which is again a very pretty stud, and the finger ring is also very pretty, provided you do not wear any other finger ring, because that is not gonna complement. So the finger ring is also very pretty. It is absolutely pretty. The neck pieces of Meesho is an absolute quality. Next is another oxidized. Now this neck piece was for 300 change, which was again very affordable. The last neck piece is this beautiful Meenakar neck piece. This is a complete Meenakar neck piece, full maroon Meenakar with this beautiful ghungroos, and to be honest, it looks divine pretty when you wear it with the sari. Looks real pretty. Also, I think this comes with earring, yes. And this was a little pricey, like 400, because it was a Meenakari. So obviously that will be a little pricey, and the earring is absolute amazing. I really love this earring. It looks very pretty. Even you can carry this earring with a normal kurti. Will look absolute. Now all these jewelries were all below 500, but having said that, the quality and everything is just wow. And I really love, enjoyed shopping the jewelry and every stuffs from Meesho. Very soon I will come up with the summer kurti haul from Meesho, and the collections are just wow. So stay tuned to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if this video was little helpful, then hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on Instagram, because a lot of updates you are gonna get there on Instagram. That's pretty much. Stay safe, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.